I said we were going to focus mainly on policy today, not on policy today, on practice today, and I think that's why all of you are here, to learn and how you can improve practice in your school or the schools in which you work. But I thought I'd just do a brief overview of the policy context, if nothing else, to demonstrate how much support there is for the work that you're doing across the country. Statutory status is now supported by the following. The Children's Commissioner, and she was here last year in Leeds for those of you who were here last year. The National Police Lead for Child Sexual Exploitation, really important colleague saying we need to educate children how to keep themselves and others safe. The Chief Medical Officer, Public Health England. We've got 2 Royal Societies supporting statutory status for PSHE, 3 parliamentary committees, so the Education Committee, the Home Affairs Committee, and the Joint Committee on Human Rights, and another 3 chairs of other parliamentary committees, Health, Equalities, and Business Innovation and Skills, are supporting us as well. We've got 5 education unions, and that's great from my point of view because it's really nice to have support from the professional community for what we're trying to achieve. 6 Royal Medical Colleges, and 100 leading organisations, including the NSP, CC, the Association of Police and Crime Commissioners, the Association of Chairs of Local Safeguarding Boards, the Association of Directors of Public Health. The list goes on and on and on. But it's not just professionals who support statutory status for PSHE. 85% of business leaders, because they know that the skills for the 21st century economy are the kind of soft skills, the social and emotional skills, the character and resilience that we're trying to build amongst young people. 88% of teachers, 91% of parents, and most importantly of all, 92% of young people who have had PSHE lessons believe that that should be an entitlement for all children and young people. It's a stunning endorsement of everything that you do. And I just want to put those figures in context and have a little bit of fun while we're doing it. So the 91% of figures, 91% of parents, we're going to put up against some other figures. So public attitudes on other issues. So public trust in estate agents, 24%. Can I just say that teachers got 86%, so well done. Support for the 3rd runway at Heathrow, 32%. Support for green taxes, 52%. Support for the BBC sacking Jeremy Clarkson, 59%. And here's an interesting one. Someone, I don't know quite why, they decided to take approval ratings for the Queen. Quite why they decided to do that, I don't know. Satisfied with the Queen's performance, 86%, and she's done well. But it's not 91%. That is an overwhelming support for the work that all of you do. And in my field, looking across, I can't find any public policy issue where we have that support from the public, from professionals, and from pupils as well.